Hi guys, Sherry Riano here with our Monday Mortgage Minute. I wanted to talk about assets with you when you're getting ready to buy a house. It is important that you make sure that you have the right documentations of the assets that you're going to use towards your down payment. Now, whether that's a gift from a family member, whether you're getting a 401k loan, which is allowed, we want to make sure we put it in a centralized account and that it's easy to document. Based off the Patriot Act, we are required to document a certain percentage of large assets going into your account. And so when your loan processor is asking you to document it, please don't get frustrated with them. It's just part of their job, and trust us, the Patriot Act rules that we must do this. So if you've got a little bit of time before you're ready to purchase, I recommend that you set a certain account, whether it's a savings, a money market, or a checking, and you just put the money that you want to put toward down payment, closing costs, and escrow setup in that account, and just keep it really easy and clean. If you do that, you'll have less documentation required through the process, and it'll make it a whole lot easier to get your loan approved. Thank you so much for taking time to see my video and listen to me. I really appreciate the support and love I'm getting out there. If you have any questions, you can reach us at 919-234-7415 or email us at team@thesherryrianoteam.com.